I'm going to speed past me making a loop. But if you want a tutorial on that, I will drop one probably next week. So we're going to start with a forward backward knot. That is one forward knot and one backward knot. Then we'll make two forward knots over the red string and the white string. So when we get to the edge, we'll make a forward backward knot. Now we'll make a forward backward knot. That is one forward knot and the other half of the backward knot. Now we're going to go to the other side and we're going to take the white string and make forward knots. We're going to make 4 forward knots, and at the end we'll make a forward backward knot again. You can see these some other string sticking out. That's from when I made the loop. Another forward knot. This is the last forward knot. Then we'll make a forward backward knot on the red string. Now on the other side we are going to keep knotting. We'll put the small white string and the small white string. I will knot with it until when we just remove it so it doesn't show, and it's in enough, so when we cut it off it's not going to loosen. Then we'll make a backward knot over the red string and one backward forward knot over the 2 red strings at the end. Now we're going to make 3 forward knots with the red string over those 3. 1, 2, and 3. I need to make 2 forward knots with the white string. That's 1, 2, and this will now form one half heart, one tiny half heart. Then with the string besides the white one, the red string, we're going to make a backward forward knot over the one at the edge. And we're going to make 2 backward knots with the white string. Backward forward knots, sorry. With the red string I'm holding, we are going to make 2 backward knots, 2 backward knots. Two. There. Then with the white string at the extreme edge, we're going to make 3 backward knots. 1, 2 and 3. You see the heart already forming. We'll take the white string on the left and we're going to make 2 forward knots. I'm going to make a forward backward knot on the edge again. Then I'm going to make a forward knot on the white string, and then we'll take the white string and make a forward backward knot. We're going to make 2 forward knots, and then at the edge we'll do a forward backward knot. And on the left hand side we're going to make a backward forward knot with the white string. Now we're going to make 1 backward knot, 1 backward forward knot. This is the backward knot. This is the backward forward knot. That's 1 backward, 1 forward. Then another one, forward backward knot on the edge. At the edges of both sides, you're going to be making forward backward and backward forward. We're going to take the white string and the red string and make a backward knot over the white string. I'm going to make a backward forward knot. Then 2 forward knots. Forward knots, yes. 1 and 2. Now we're going to take the white string, the 2 white strings in the middle, and we're going to make 2 forward knots and 1 forward backward knot. Now for forward backward knots. I forgot to zoom in, sorry. Forward backward knot. Then we're going all the way back to the left hand side. Take the string in the middle, the white string, and make 3 backward knots, and at the end make a backward forward knot. So we're going back to the middle, the 2 red strings there. We're going to make a forward knot. Then we're going to use the white string. We're going to make a backward knot on that string. Now we're going to make a forward backward knot. With this red string in the middle, we're going to make a backward knot over the red string, and then we'll take the red string on the left and make a forward knot. It's supposed to be a forward knot, but I made a backward knot. Two forward knots with the white string, and at the edge, one forward backward. And we're going to take that string and we're going to make two forward knots. With the white string, make a backward knot on the red one. And now with the white string on the left, we're going to make 4 forward knots. Two, 3, 4. So now we're going to make a forward backward knot on the edge. And we're going to make a backward knot on the white string. I'm going to make a forward backward knot again. I'm going to make a backward forward knot. Then make forward knots over the rest of the string to meet the last string. So let's start with the backward forward knot. Then a forward knot. We're making forward knot to reach the second to the last string on the right. Now that we're at the end, we'll make a forward backward knot. And I'm just going to speed past the remaining for you to see it. I'll link the pattern below, in the description below. There you can see the little hearts coming to view. Just in case the video is not detailed enough, leave a comment in the description below, or you can ask me a question about it in one of my social media handles. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you. Bye.